Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have another killer truck. It's a 1957 Chevy 3100 big window Restomod pickup. This one's got an LS3 in it, and man, just killer in this blue. This is a modern blue color with some metallic in it. Really looks good. Sitting on Staggered US Mags. Done, done, done. Really like how he did the bumpers in gray. Really gives it a modern look. LED tail lights. This is oak, finished in like a gray. Really complements and brings the bumpers together along with the wheels. We got 245 40s by 20 up front. Man, look at those Wilwoods. These big Wilwood Brakes. And in the rear, those look similar. Yeah, 245 40 20s. The same size all the way around. And man, just fit perfect. Again, this truck is new. Fuel-injected LS3. Halos up front. Headlights. Those are all LED too. Around in the corners. Beautiful straight body. Electronic wipers. Stainless steel fittings in the bed. Like capped off the rails. Gives it a cool look, man. New. Also has that one over there for sale. Maybe we can make a package deal. Interior is beautiful. Look at that. It's leaned back too, so that accommodates a big guy. That gentleman that owns this truck is probably 6'2" himself. Beautiful interior. Custom rearview mirror. Looks like I did it tilt wheel with a matching leather wrapped steering wheel. Kind of reminiscent of the common ones in back in the day. Beautiful door panels. Kind of follows the whole theme around. Power windows. Electronic wipers. And this has 1,214 miles on the Resto. Vintage air, sound system. It's got a kicker sub in the back. 3 12-volt adapters. Looks like it's got navigation and all the other goodies. Yeah, AC. Pandora ready. Navigation. Plug and kick panels. Custom kick panels with this rated air. Like 6-inch rounds. Tie everything together beautifully. Bluetooth. Yeah, you got navigation. There you go. Same paint throughout the truck. It's got a little bit of metallic in it. Really shows well. Custom seat belts. In the back here, we got a woofer. It's like a 10-inch woofer. My kicker. Also a Kenwood amp over there too. And I love the seat, how it has like a contour to it. Accommodates a nice big guy. Power windows. They're tinted, which gives it a nice look. There's also like about an 8-inch runner up front, keep the sun out of your eyes. Billet handles. Man, and this LS3 really sounds good. Love how he did the square tips too. Kind of gives it a modern look. Stainless steel gas tank. 4 9-inch rear. And it looks like it's sitting on a TCI chassis. There she is, LS3, sent out of a 2010 Camaro. 10,000 miles on that car. Got a rack and pinion steering, tubular A-arms, long tube headers, 700R4 trans, painless wiring, nice big aluminum radiator and electric fan. Oh, that's Doral too. That's a great fan, Doral. It's like one of the best fans out. No expense spared build. I think the Camaro motor has got a 480 horse out of the box. DieHard battery. I mean, on and on and on. Billet hinges. They're really cool. Open checkbook build. It's held by his house. No expense spared. All new felts in the windows. You know, this is a body off. And I love the Alcantara on the ceiling too. Got lots of photos of the restoration too of this. Really pretty truck. Paint is killer too. Got a little bit of metallic in it, not too much. The right amount. Man, it sounds eagle too. I don't think the surfboard and the basket's included, but hell, if you buy both trucks, I think I might make that happen. Nice big back window. Love the wraparound window on these trucks. It's the one to have. Big window. Nice and lumpy. Well, guys, give us a call, 631-339-0399. Check out our website. I probably took 200 photos today of both these trucks each. And again, visit our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.